Here's the music beside you, a resting of notes against the warm paper of skin. No serenade, just the stead of her pulse, the blues of her voice pull you under. Thick warm water, closed eyes in the dim dark night, the softest of darkness. People drown like this, you know?
On your right side, me on your left side. Which do you want more? Little secrets, misunderstandings. I'm his darkest jewel, a prize in the crown, and what a pretty lady. But oh, her voice is so cruel. But the stains that left are just too dark to wash out, so I dyed my clothes blood red. And when you leave, you will never see me shake or hear me cry. It's just so hard to say goodbye. It's easy when I try. On the count of 1, 2, 3. What a wretched, empty amphora, eyes like a sky so gray. I've studied my Shakespeare, learned my youth would have best been ended in death. Ophelia or Cordelia, you're not getting any younger. Turn around, your lady Macbeth. But the chains I threw off were just another part of me, and now I'm less whole than I was. And you always had such pretty eyes. I'm hoping to the heart. It's just so hard to say goodbye. It's easy when I try. On the count of 1, 2, 3. When they come to take me